Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Trojan bot to Phantom wallet. It's really simple and easy. So all you have to do is go to your Phantom wallet and go on to your little account icon at the top left. Click on the little pencil icon and say show private key. So now in here we just need to agree to the terms and click that will not share your private key with anyone, which is ironically what we are about to do is you can check which one you use and then click on it. Now it will give you your private key. You can just copy that to clipboard, and now we are going to go into Telegram, and you have options to buy, sell, copy trades and so forth, but all you really need to do is paste your private key into Telegram into the Trojan bot section here. And that's pretty much it. That's how to connect Trojan bot to Phantom wallet. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.